bit of fattiness to it. There's a little bit of pineapple, so that gives you that citrus element. Then you've got this lovely sort of soggy dough character which comes into it.
And I think the acid of the Riesling really cuts through the
sogginess
furriness of the soggy dough.
That's actually a really good match.
It works. I think it's fair to say the Riesling doesn't necessarily make the pizza taste worse. Arguably better, but the pizza certainly doesn't make the Riesling taste better. So it's not quite a synergistic slam dunk.
No, but you know,
okay.
if you're stuck inside and it's going to be raining for the next few days, I think I'd be okay.
But what the pizza is doing, because of the consistency of the crust, is immediately absorbing all Riesling.
All the Riesling, a little bit. Yeah.
McCain, you've done it again.
It's actually pretty good.